Hi, in the previous lessons we learned about theory of k-neighbors and what it's do, what the neighbors is. But if you want to me make a theoretical examples, lessons over 20 minutes with everything you needed, you can ask. I make them. But I don't like and don't prefer them. But if you want, you can ask. I give you the lessons. Okay, what this do? This line is very important. What this line do? Let's go to our code and put this line here. Sometimes you ask, okay, we train the model. Every time we need to use them, we need to open the library and then open the model and use it. It's so stupid. And I give the right choice too. I think too, it's so stupid. Why? Why shall we do that? Every time we need to run a model, we open it and then close it. I don't really think so. We must do it. For that, we create a thing that the library names Pickle. What Pickle libraries do? The thing that these libraries do and important for it's that the Pickle library save our model into files. Import Pickle. Pickle save our library into files. How it do? Let's do this. Okay, let's run it. It says the model one is not here. Because of what? Let's read this line and guess what it's doing before we go and search. It's the name of model, F file, okay. Loaded model, pickle.load open F file, RB. We can understand because of naming that this command is going to load a model from our data. But why it's not working? Because it don't have a model. How? Let's see how we can save the model with Pickle. Let's go and search how we can save a model with Pickle. At the end I write wrong with open. Let's copy that. I don't really get what it's doing, but okay, for better understanding, let's copy this line, put it here. It's load iris. I tell you about iris, knn.feed, pickle.dump, knf. Okay, we copy that here. Let me create a new cell here with open knn model .pick wb as fpickle.dump, but our model name is model. We write the model here. Let's run it. Okay, nothing happened. What happened? Let's go to our knn folder. It create a file knn.model.pickle that we can open it here. We can load it like this or like the code I write here. Let's run it. It opened the model and the prediction. Let me give you some good example about Pickle. With that, you can save and unsave your model. Okay, we do some good works. Let's end this lesson here. But before ending, let me tell you something. As you can see, it's when the neighbor is too high, here's neighbor is 15. Okay, neighbors is 15. Neighbor is too high, it's just give us 0. Why? Because the x-test is very small, and when the k neighbors is become bigger than the test data, it's giving us the same data because the radius is getting bigger and all the data are going to predict. Okay, have a good day. See you tomorrow.